I think I was about 46 when I made the decision. I was taking voluntary redundancy, and I suppose that I thought to myself, well, what's the worst thing that can happen if I fail? Then I'll just have to get a job. And that's why I made the decision in the end. I thought, I'll just take a chance and just see if it works. My natural inclination is to engage with people and communicate with people. I had a lot of confidence in my own communication skills. And I'd been a manager in my previous job for about 8 years, and I'd worked very closely with human resources in terms of recruitment. That kind of gave me a lot of confidence. There was a lot of support initially, just like the setup and what to do, how to do. You know, my franchisor was very helpful and supportive in enabling me to do these things. As time progressed, I became more confident and I didn't really need it as much. It's been very challenging, but I think I've learned, it's kind of helped me a lot. Develop skills I never had before. I've learned an awful lot. And the thing about Poppies is that you are helping people. It is about making a difference to people's lives. And that kind of helped me also make the decision to do it. It just seemed to me that there was very little chance that I could fail, really, with the support that I would have. And the skills that I already had from my previous employment, I thought I would probably make a success of it, yeah. At the moment, currently, we've got about 27 staff. We supply services to about 187, 88 homes across South Liverpool. It's a relatively flat structure, so there's just myself and my operations manager, Michaela Holden, and she's the kind of the interface between customers and staff. I suppose that's the really interesting thing about it, is that you do get involved in lots of different things. I mean, you know, from sales, marketing, recruitment and selection. And we've helped a lot of people over the years, you know. Some people who are disabled or they're not very mobile, and sometimes we're the only people they see in the week when we come to visit. Busy families, we've supported them. Professionals who work very long hours. I feel like we've kind of made a massive difference to a lot of people's lives over the years, which is a really good thing, yeah. Poppies means to me something about Sue, who set it up. It's about me having set this business up from the start. It's become a very, like a massive part of my life. And I can't really imagine life without it at the moment. I quite like what I'm doing. I really enjoy it. I love meeting people, you know, and sort of like talking to them about the things that they like doing, they enjoy. They buy back time from us, you know. And the thing about Poppies also is that it is a tried, tested, proven, successful franchise, you know, with a 40-year history. So that's why I decided on Poppies particularly. Yeah. I mean, I'm here 10.5 years later, so I obviously made a good decision, didn't I?